Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the world of chair yoga and discover some of the best chair yoga poses that can help you stay active and relaxed, even if you have mobility limitations or prefer a gentle form of exercise. Whether you're a senior, someone with physical challenges, or simply looking for a convenient way to incorporate yoga into your daily routine, these chair yoga poses are for you. Let's dive in. Seated mountain pose. Begin by sitting up straight in your chair with your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands on your thighs and take a few deep breaths. This pose helps improve posture and spinal alignment. Seated forward. Bend. Sit forward in your chair, keeping your feet flat on the ground. Exhale as you slowly lean forward from your hips, reaching for your toes or the floor. Hold for a few breaths to stretch your back and hamstrings. Seated cat-cow. Sit with your feet flat. Place your hands on your knees. Inhale and arch your back, cow pose. Then exhale and round your spine, cat pose. Repeat this flowing movement to improve spinal flexibility. Seated. Twist. Sit up straight. Place your left hand on the outside of your right knee. Inhale and lengthen your spine, then exhale and twist gently to the right. Repeat on both sides to improve spine mobility. Seated leg lifts. Sit at the edge of your chair with feet flat on the ground. Lift one leg straight out while engaging your core, then lower it down. Alternate legs for a gentle lower body workout. Seated pigeon pose. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Gently press your right knee down to feel a stretch in the hip. Switch to the other side to stretch both hips. Seated ankle rolls. Sit with your feet flat on the ground. Lift one foot and draw circles with your toes in both directions. Repeat with the other foot to improve ankle mobility. Conclusion. Chair yoga offers a wonderful way to maintain flexibility, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being without the need for a yoga mat or intense physical exertion. These chair yoga poses can be done virtually anywhere, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals. Remember to breathe deeply and listen to your body's limits as you practice these poses. Regular chair yoga practice can be a great addition to your daily routine, helping you stay active, relaxed, and rejuvenated. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoy incorporating these poses into your life.